Vertical indoor farming. It's an incredibly exciting new form of agriculture. It works by growing crops in stacked layers and in a completely controlled environment. It's so exciting because of the opportunity to grow nearly any crop, fresh and nutritious, anywhere in the world. However, there are still significant hurdles holding back this tech. We visited and reached out to dozens of companies and researchers at indoor farms around the world and found that labor was still a massive component eating into their margins. Now, I'm not talking about labor for meaningful tasks. I'm talking about labor to climb up, down, and across hundreds of these 30-foot towers of crops just to check if a plant is green or brown. I'm talking about labor to physically move a crop from point A to point B. Labor for these simple jobs can account for up to 30% of the cost of goods sold, and for a standard large-scale facility, say 40, 50,000 square feet, this can add up to well over $500,000 per year. And in an industry that's expected to reach over $13 billion in the next 8 years, this represents a huge amount of lost opportunity. At GrowXY, we're building automated technology to remove the need for this expensive labor. That's actually a picture of some of our initial test crops. So our tech. Our tech is based around the idea of automatically moving crops to different points of operation so that people don't have to. We're able to build a system that waters crops and provides them with enough light while letting them circulate within the facility. This is a simplified rendition of how the crops grow on a shelf structure that's able to circulate on a rail. The second part of our tech couples that motion with our computer vision software. By using cameras, we're currently able to track color, density, height, all the things needed to monitor the growth rates and the health of a crop so that people don't have to manually input this data. It allows for much more efficient and precise data gathering that we're actually leveraging in order to accelerate growing times and increase nutrient density. All of this comes together so that with an extra initial investment in automation tech, a company can start to see returns after just 2 years of not paying for the unneeded labor, on top of the fact that they save money moving forward. And this isn't just an idea. We're growing and selling crops with our tech right here in Waterloo right now with near 50% margins. And we have intent from larger distributors in Mississauga and the GTA to expand production to pilot our produce once we expand production into a testing facility. Currently, our testing is able to show how all the different subcomponents work on their own. The 25K from Velocity will be put to immediate use to help us build our first small-scale operation that's going to show how all the automation works together. The team bringing this to life currently consists of myself and co-founder Mahim Nadave. We have a combined experience in the fields of robotics, computer vision, and project marketing, and we have backing from the Communitech Strategic Growth Program and the Velocity Incubator. We are GrowXY, and we're bringing the power of automation to the future of food production. Thank you so much.